Hi, welcome back to Fast Cabling. If you remember, in our last video, we delved into the intricate world of selecting the cameras for your warehouse to ensure robust security and operational efficiency. And today in this video, we are going a step further. We're zooming in, quite literally, on enhancing visibility at one of the most crucial areas of any logistic operation, the warehouse loading docks. And if you have any questions with your system design, please feel free to contact us through the link down in the description box below, and our team of experts will provide you with the solution that tailor for your specific need. Now let's get started. So warehouse loading docks are a bustling hub of activity where goods transition in and out, from inbound operations involving unloading goods to outbound process that focus on reloading. Each movement requires powerful monitoring to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. And this is where a top-notch surveillance system steps into the picture. Now imagine this during the peak hours, trucks lining up, forklifts moving in every direction, and personnel bustling about. So loading docks deserve a special attention. Each entrance should have a dedicated camera to capture every single movement, day and night, to prevent theft, ensuring safety and enhance operational flow. So here enters our motorized zoom bullet camera. Now, unlike fixed camera, this beauty offers adjustable zoom capability and autofocus feature that allow operator to adjust the field of view depending on the specific needs of the moment without losing image clarity. And the design of this camera is particularly suited for warehouse environment. They're robust, weather resistant, and capable of capturing high-resolution image even in low-light conditions. Plus, their motorized zoom function let you keep an eye from the broad scene of the dock to the minute detail of cargo labels. And our bullet cameras offer outstanding image quality, ranging from 2 to 8 megapixel high resolution, enabling clear identification of person and vehicle, essential for both real-time security and legal analysis. And the motorized zoom lens can be adjusted to cover different field of view. This one here can range widely from 2.8 millimeters wide angle view to a 12 millimeters narrow view, which means more precise coverage from a single installation point. We also have 6 to 22 millimeters and 5 to 50 millimeters lens available. And not to mention the infrared night vision. Now it can provide around-the-clock surveillance, and this camera comes equipped with powerful infrared LED that provide clear images even in total darkness and up to significant distances. Now about installation. Warehouses are vast spaces, and running individual power lines to each cameras can be a logistical nightmare. So that's where our PoE Passthrough switch become a game changer. Now this setup allows cameras to draw power from a single Ethernet cable and source all the way from a 90 watts PoE switch located in your control room. Now this setup not only simplifies installation, but also cuts down on the mass of multiple cables. So just think about the ease of managing and maintaining such a system. Fewer cables and less labor time for installation translate directly into cost saving. And cameras can be placed at optimal locations without worrying about the proximity to electrical outlets. So you're no longer limited by where existing power lines run, which is particularly useful in a large warehouse environment. So now let's walk through the process step by step. We're here at our control room looking at our 16-port managed high-power PoE switch. But keep in mind here, only port number 1 to 8 can support 8.802.3 BT standard high-power PoE, and the maximum of the PoE power can be up to 90 watts. So now I'm going to use the Ethernet cable to plug in one of those ports so it can provide high-power PoE to our passive PoE switch. And it is already connected to our 64-channel NVR. Now, following the 100 meters Ethernet cable, we're here at our passive PoE switch. Now, this one here has 7 ports available because port 8 here is the PoE input port. So I have to plug in the Ethernet cable to port number 8. Only port number 8 will do. And instantly, all the indicator lights are on. And here we have 3 Ethernet cables already connected to our bullet camera. And as you can see, there's no need for any power supply for our PoE pass-through switch or the bullet cameras. Only a single Ethernet cables to carry both power and data. And let's give it a minute for our video to display on the monitor. It will need a little bit of time to adjust the focus. So here we go. All our bullet cameras are on. I'm going to wave my hand there so you can see this is a live video. And now you can see 3 of me. So now the mouse is already connected to the NVR, so I can navigate through the menus. I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out using our motorized zoom bullet camera. Now it's kind of similar to the PTZ camera, just right-click it and go to the PTZ control. We're not going to use the panel here, but we are going to use the zoom function. So when we press plus, it will zoom in, adjust and focus, and when we press minus, it will zoom out. So now you can see even a broader field from the bullet camera. So before we wrap up, here are a few pro tips to maximize your surveillance effectiveness at the docks. First, consider the correct pixel density for your cameras. It is crucial for reading license plates or capturing facial details. And don't forget about positioning. Angle your cameras to avoid direct sunlight glare or ensure a broad coverage. Remember, good surveillance is not just about installing cameras. It's about installing the right cameras in the right places with the right settings. So that's how you ensure security and efficiency at your warehouse loading docks. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on tech solution. And if you have questions or want to see more about a particular tech topic, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comment section below. And thank you very much for joining us. I'll see you in the next video.